Hey, good afternoon. It's Jessica with Jessica's Jeweled Art, and I wanted to talk to you about release paper and how to use it, uh, and how I use it. Now, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know I hate the cellophane that comes on your diamond art painting kits. It's crinkly, it's sticky, it gets in the way. It's just a mess. So the first thing that I do when I get a new kit is I rip off that cellophane and I toss it. But then of course, you have that blue layer, um, and that's going to stick to your clothes and to everything else. So what do? Well, here's what I do. I get some release paper. It comes in a lot of different sizes, and I section off my diamond painting kit, especially if I'm, oh, excuse me, doing a large one. The one I'm working on right now is a 40 by 40. It's kind of middle of the road. It's not one of your super big ones, but it's not one of your little tiny snack size ones either. And I have portioned this one off. Well, I've already started working on it, but it still has five ma- major sections, and then I've got this one little strip over here because I have a little extra space. And typically, I do one section a day or a sitting. And at any rate, I section it off. So that's one way that you can use the release paper to section off what you're going to do in a day in a sitting. And that is something that you can't really do with the cellophane because you're pulling it back, you're pulling it forward, you're pulling it back, you're pulling it forward. It just makes a mess. So that's one way that you can use the release paper. Another way that you can use the release paper is you can even use it to even make smaller sections if you're using like an X-Acto knife, if you don't want to do this one whole section in a sitting. Also, it is, like I just mentioned, it's very easy to release it and put it back because you do have a shiny side and a not so shiny side. And once you um, realize which is which. The shiny side, I put that sticky side down because that's the side that is going to be easiest to go back and forth, and they're reusable. So a pack can really last you a long time, especially if you're not one of those that uses an X-Acto knife to cut it for a particular section. Let's see, what are some of the other? Now, I did take a couple of notes right here just so I wouldn't forget what I wanted to tell you about. Let's see, replace. Yeah, I think I mentioned everything. So just as a recap, it replaces the plastic cover. You can work in sections. You've identified the slippery side because it makes it easier to go back and forth, and they're reusable. So I hope that this has helped you, and happy diamond painting. See you next time. And if you listen to this video all the way through, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way, whenever I do a new video, you'll be the first to find out about it. See you next time. Love you. Bye.